an integral part of our corporate social responsibility and sustainability framework is education. So when COVID-19 struck in February 2020, the focus of everybody was on the health implication. But because we have this robust CSR framework, we quickly focus on the fact that there's an area that is being neglected. That is, how do we engage our children? Because it was becoming a major source of concern for parents. How do we ensure that they are fully engaged, safely? And how do we ensure that at the end of the pandemic, our children are not put at a disadvantage vis-a-vis their peers internationally? And that's actually where we conceived this idea of a 1 million students being migrated to e-learning platforms. And we looked around. We were excited when we found the Roducate platform that is being promoted by Robert and John. And why are we excited? It's safe, it's already well designed, it can operate on low data requirement, but more importantly, the safety that has been built in and the fact that the content are already accredited content.
%90 of our composition is about advancing humanity, and the barriers were power. We've created battery pack that uses solar so that the children, wherever they are, can get power to learn. We identified the devices, knowing that KIOS partnership will help bring down the internet consumption, and the devices were affordable and we were going to give it free to the students. We identified data. So we developed a relationship with the network provider, created our data package, and we give data also for free to access Roducate, the device for free, data for free. And then we also identified internet misuse. We also blocked that and ensured that the children focus on learning.
What is even more exciting is that those devices have inbuilt safety that enables our children to work online, but without any fear that the bad boys on the net can take possession of what they are doing. Part of what we had at the back of our mind, it's also using this as a way to bridge the gap between the children from the privileged background and those from the less privileged background. And as of today, over 55,000 students have obtained free subscription on the Roducate platform, which is being promoted and sponsored by the First Bank.
We just want everybody to join, stakeholders to join, all private sector, come on board. Let's do this for the whole of Nigeria, at least up to 20 million people, even if it's 30 million people. Let's move it to the rest of Africa. That's what we are calling for.